Discover the perfect brew with our list of the top 5 best espresso machines designed to bring cafe-quality coffee into your home. From rich espressos to creamy lattes and cappuccinos, these machines combine power, style, and convenience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned barista, find the ideal espresso maker to match your taste and lifestyle. Number 1. Nespresso Vertuo Coffee and Espresso Maker. The Nespresso Vertuo Coffee and Espresso Maker by DeLonghi is a premium choice for anyone who craves both rich coffee and smooth espresso at home. Designed with simplicity in mind, this versatile machine brews for cup sizes: espresso, 1.35 ounces, double espresso, 2.7 ounces, gran lungo, 5 ounces, and coffee, 7.7 ounces, all at the touch of a button. What sets the Vertuo apart is its patented centrifusion extraction technology, which uses barcode recognition to automatically adjust brewing parameters. This ensures every cup delivers the perfect balance of flavor, aroma, and a signature creamer, just like a barista-made beverage. The machine comes with a complimentary welcome set of Vertuo capsules, letting you explore a range of unique blends and aroma profiles right away. Practical features add to the appeal, including a 54-ounce water reservoir, an adjustable drip tray, and a capsule ejection system that holds up to 17 used pods. With a 15 to 20 second heat-up time and automatic shut-off after 9 minutes, it's both quick and energy efficient. Stylish, reliable, and easy to use, the Nespresso Vertuo is perfect for coffee lovers who want cafe-quality drinks with maximum convenience at home. Number 2. Casabrews CM50/18 Espresso Machine. The Casabrews CM50/18 Espresso Machine is a stylish, compact, and practical choice for coffee lovers who want cafe-quality drinks at home. Featuring a 20-bar professional Italian pump and a 1350W powerful boiler, this semi-automatic 2-in-1 espresso maker delivers rich flavor extraction with a fragrant aroma and velvety creamer. The built-in pressure gauge allows you to monitor and adjust brewing to match your personal taste, ensuring every cup is just the way you like it. Equipped with a powerful steam wand, the CM50/18 lets you froth milk to a creamy microfoam, perfect for creating cappuccinos, lattes, macchiatos, or flat whites with authentic barista-style presentation. Whether you're perfecting latte art or simply enjoying a silky smooth cappuccino, this machine makes it easy. Designed with durability and style in mind, its stainless steel body fits beautifully in any kitchen or office space. The 34-ounce removable water tank makes brewing multiple cups simple, while single and double shot filters give you flexibility in your coffee creations. For best results, allow the machine to cool after frothing before brewing again. With thoughtful design, ease of use, and professional features, the Casabrews CM50/18 brings barista-quality coffee right into your home. Number 3. Philips Fully Automatic Espresso Machine. The Philips Fully Automatic Espresso Machine is a premium all-in-one solution for coffee lovers who want convenience without sacrificing taste. With just one touch, you can enjoy 5 aromatic coffees: espresso, coffee, americano, cappuccino, or latte macchiato, each brewed to perfection in moments. Designed to make every cup effortless, it combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly operation. The intuitive touch display makes selecting your favorite drink simple and quick, while the aroma extract system ensures the ideal balance of temperature and flavor extraction for consistently rich, aromatic results. Whether you crave a bold espresso shot or a creamy cappuccino, this machine delivers cafe-quality beverages at home. Cleaning and maintenance are equally stress-free. The innovative 2-part milk system contains no tubes or hidden parts, allowing you to rinse it clean under the tap or place it in the dishwasher in just 15 seconds. Additionally, the AquaClean filter ensures purified water and eliminates the need for descaling for up to 5,000 cups, making upkeep minimal. Stylish, practical, and highly efficient, the Philips Fully Automatic Espresso Machine offers a seamless brewing experience for those who want variety, convenience, and top-quality coffee every day. Number 4. Gevi Professional Espresso Machine. The Gevi Professional Espresso Machine is a sleek, compact, and versatile choice for coffee enthusiasts who want cafe-quality drinks at home. Featuring a 20-bar pump, NTC temperature control, and a pre-infusion system, This machine ensures optimal flavor extraction for every cup. The built-in pressure gauge helps you monitor brewing conditions, allowing you to craft espressos, cappuccinos, lattes, mochas, and americanos with precision and consistency. One of its standout features is the automatic milk frother, which creates rich, velvety foam without requiring barista skills. Simply place your cup, and the frother textures milk to perfection for cappuccinos and lattes. The steam wand also doubles as a heater and hot water dispenser, making it suitable for a wide range of hot beverages. Built with durable stainless steel housing, the Gevi machine adds a modern, stylish touch to any kitchen while maintaining a compact design that fits small spaces easily. It offers for brewing volume options and compatibility with ground coffee, portafilters, ESE pods, and Nespresso capsules, giving you complete flexibility. Perfect as a thoughtful gift for coffee lovers, it comes with a 12-month warranty and lifetime tech support, ensuring both quality and peace of mind. Number 5. Electactic Espresso Machine with Grinder. The Electactic Espresso Machine with Grinder is designed for coffee enthusiasts who want to enjoy barista-quality coffee at home. Equipped with a 20-bar Italian pump and a 1500W powerful motor, it ensures optimal flavor extraction, delivering rich, aromatic espresso with a perfect creamer. The built-in precision conical burr grinder with 30 grind settings gives you complete control over grind size, so every cup matches your preferred texture and flavor. This versatile machine also features a steam wand milk frother, allowing you to create creamy, cafe-style foam for lattes, cappuccinos, and macchiatos. The wand doubles as a hot water dispenser, making it convenient for tea or americanos. Switching modes is simple, and the wand can be flushed with hot water for easy maintenance. Practicality is another strong point. With a 2.8-liter removable water tank and a detachable drip tray, cleaning and refilling are effortless. The machine's portable design fits neatly in most kitchens, while its ETL certification ensures safety and reliability. Offering customizable settings like grind time adjustment and single or double shot options, the Electactic Espresso machine makes it easy to craft a personalized cup every time, bringing professional cafe quality right into your home.